In this video, I'm going to teach you how to update BIOS on your MSI B650 Gaming Plus Wi-Fi. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to give you easy to follow instructions on how to perform a BIOS update for this particular model of motherboard from MSI. But keep in mind that these same general steps can be applied to any other model, even for motherboards not from MSI. All that you have to do is download the BIOS files from the official website and then load them into a USB drive. It doesn't need a lot of storage space, just enough to house these small files. To download the files, go to msi.com on the official website and then look for your B650 Gaming Plus Wi-Fi. If you have a different model, you will also be able to find it on the official website. Now, when you click on the specific motherboard, go over to the support page, go to drivers and downloads, and you will find the BIOS here. Download the latest version available. Now, you will have to extract it into the USB drive, so if it comes in a zip like this, right click and then extract here. Now drag this BIOS file into the USB drive's storage. I recommend formatting the drive as well before doing this. As long as you have the files loaded into the USB drive, you can now insert it at the back of your motherboard. And as soon as you insert it into any of the available USB ports, you will be good to perform the update. I recommend using these red ones that are closer to this button. Now, this button will perform BIOS flashback. BIOS flashback allows you to update the BIOS without having to go into the BIOS interface. So make sure that the USB drive is inserted here and make sure that you loaded the BIOS files into the drive and then press and hold this button for about 10 seconds. You will see some sort of LED indicator start to flash, and once it starts flashing, the update is being performed. Let this process finish. If you want to be absolutely sure, give it 15 minutes at most or until you see the LEDs stop flashing and you will be good to go. Now you can reboot your PC and the BIOS files that you downloaded will have been used to perform the update. I hope I was able to help you on how to update BIOS on your MSI B650 Gaming Plus Wi-Fi. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.